This video will show you the features and functions of the Smeg portable induction hob. Smeg is renowned for its heritage and expertise in large cooking appliances, and it now presents the portable induction hob. Featuring beautiful, sleek design and the highest quality materials, this induction hob performs in the heat of the kitchen. Precision in cooking is paramount for achieving exceptional results. The portable induction hob ensures precise cooking through a combination of temperature probe and digital control. Firstly, the temperature probe is kept separately in a neat storage box. Remove this from the box and plug into the side of the appliance to activate the probe on the controls. The probe is now ready to be used. The temperature probe has two programs. The first is a probe target, which sets the target core temperature and automatically stops cooking once the food hits this level. Great for steaks, chicken and fish which need to meet a specific temperature without overcooking. Simply press the target button and use the plus and minus keys to select the temperature you wish the food to reach. For example, for reheating food safely, I'm selecting 75 degrees Celsius. Place the induction safe cookware of your choice onto the hob and position the probe into the food. The probe should be in the centre of the item that you're heating to ensure an accurate reading. Turn on the heat using the slider control and allow to cook. The digital temperature will gradually rise as the food is being heated. Once the target temperature has been reached, the hob will sound an alert and the display will flash. The hob will stop heating the food to prevent overcooking. The second function is a probe timer, which sets a cooking temperature over time and maintains it until the desired cooking level is reached. Ideal for slow cooking, poaching and sous vide cooking. To set this up, place the pan onto the hob. Attach the clip provided to the pan, which can be found in the probe storage box. Position the probe by sliding through the clip into the food so that it remains securely in place. Press the timer button, the LED will flash. Use the plus and minus keys to set the target temperature. For example, to poach salmon, I'll select a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius to cook delicately without burning the milk. 70 degrees Celsius is the default temperature for this function. Next, press the clock button. Set the length of time you wish for this temperature to be held for. After 3 seconds, the cooking will start and the temperature will be shown on the display. Once the time has elapsed, the function will switch off, leaving you with a perfectly cooked dish. To make cooking even easier, the portable induction hob comes equipped with preset chef cooking programs, with options for keeping dishes warm, barbecuing, and deep frying. These programs even include an automatic preheat phase 2 to completely take away the guesswork. These chef programs are ideal if you're new to induction cooking or simply want perfect results at the touch of a button. The instruction manual will guide you through the timings for each program to give an indication of how long different items need to cook. To use these, press the chef symbol on the display. Pressing in sequence will allow you to skip through the different chef programs. Firstly, keep warm. This program allows you to maintain a constant heat to keep the food warm for as long as needed before serving. Perfect for soups, sauces and casseroles. Next, the barbecue function. This program allows you to cook meat, fish and vegetables with dedicated cooking settings for the use of griddle plates. Depending on the type of food, it's possible to select a different barbecue program with dedicated cooking power and times. Place the griddle plate onto the hob and press the chef symbol to bring up the barbecue function. Then use the plus keys to select the program. B1 is for vegetables, B2 is for white meat and fish, and B3 is for red meats and bacon. At the start of each program, the preheating phase is activated, during which the hob and the grill plate heat up to reach the optimal cooking temperature. During this phase, the cooking symbol will flash until it's ready to be used. After this, it will then show steadily on the display. Lightly oil the griddle plate and place in your ingredients. Allow the ingredients to cook before turning, as this will allow those lovely char lines to develop. And if cooking with meat, allows the protein to cook and prevent it sticking when they need turning. Follow the manual's guidance for recommended cooking timings. The fry program allows you to fry fresh, frozen and sweet foods with dedicated cooking settings. Depending on the foods that require frying, different programs can be selected. As before, with a pan on the hob and the recommended quantity of oil added, press the chef symbol until fry is visible on the display. Use the controls to select from F1 for frying fresh foods such as tempura battered vegetables, F2 frozen foods, such as breaded chicken or chips. And F3 for frying sweet items such as donuts. The hob will run a preheat phase to ensure the oil is at the best temperature for frying results. The program will begin when the fry symbol stops flashing on the display. Carefully add in your food, ensuring the ingredients are covered by the oil. If any items require flipping, do so with a large slotted spoon. Once the time has elapsed, the function will switch off, leaving you with a perfectly cooked dish. These are just some of the delicious dishes that can be cooked using the Smeg portable induction hob. With a whole range of temperatures and functions, this fantastic appliance can enhance your culinary skills and make perfecting your favourite dishes easy. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.